Welcome to today's topic, that is reading comprehension. My dear student, what is this reading? Reading means reading something. It can be a message, it can be an article, it can be a diary entry, it can be report writing, anything. So reading means what? If there is a message, informational message, or sometimes when you are going to school, you see or you come across a notice board which contains a lot of information. And sometimes we get stuck there and we try to read it out. Reading is not only enough. In order to understand that, we need to tear out each word and we need to read out all the sentences thoroughly. Then only we understand what exactly that particular information is telling about. So here we will read, my dear student, reading comprehension. From the title itself, it says that there will be an information and it helps us to guide that what are the rules to be followed in order to understand that particular piece of information. It may be a message, as I told you, it may be any kind of information, right? So here we will see certain rules where we will find that how to write or how to deal with this reading comprehension, my dear students. So you know, when you come across the exam, there are various unseen passages, there are seen passages, we can say discursive passages or factual passages, right? In that case, we need to read it out, we need to find answers and we need to write it down. So before that, we need to keep some points in our mind how to deal with all this. So here there are 5 points which will help you to how to find out the answer to it. So here the main topic is reading comprehension, my dear students. So today I will guide you that what are the steps needed in order to comprehend that particular message and write it in your own words, right? Now let us move to the topic. Now the first topic you can see here, read the passage and understand it. That means, as I told you, if there is a passage given in front of you or any information given to you, first of all, your first and foremost duty is to read the lines thoroughly and tear out all the words and try to understand what the first sentence is trying to tell us about. Now, the second one is read the question, understand it and try to locate the answer in the passage. So here the second step is you need to read the passage, you need to read the question, you need to find the answer where the question answer is there in that particular passage, then underline it, and then what you will do? You need to write it in your own words. My dear student, a teacher or who is an invigilator, when you are writing something, who is an invigilator, he always search that particular answer, or he is satisfied or she is satisfied in that particular answer when that answer is written in its own word, rather than copying the lines from the passage and simply writing it down in the question answer. No. So now here the second point is you need to find the answer to the question in that same paragraph. You need to underline and then convert it into your own words and then try to write it down. Now the third point is underline the sentence which contains the answer and try to write in your own words. As I told you, my dear student, first of all you need to read it out once. If you don't understand, spend some time in that passage the second time. Then try to read the question and find out the answer where exactly it is located. In that particular sentence, just try to underline it and then you need to translate that particular sentence in your own words and you will be in your own track. Now, the fourth one, answer should be brief and to the point. There are some children, there are some students, there are many, not even students, not even children, even the big one. They commit a lot of mistakes. What they do, they start with the topic, for example, marker, and ends up with the human being. So there is no connection between human being and the marker. So if you are talking about marker, be brief, keep your answer in and around this marker rather than moving to some other topic. So here it says that be brief and to the point what the topic is asking all about. Now the last point is revise carefully what you have written. My dear student, again for the time bomb, again for the timer in the exam, most of the student commits lots of error, lots of mistake. That is, instead of reading the passage what they have written, they simply say that yes, I am done with my answer. My dear student, this is not the right way. You need to spare time in that particular passage what you have written. Try to revise it. Try to think that whether the question what it is asking, you are giving the appropriate answer or you are giving something else. So these are reading comprehension. So I hope my topic is clear. I hope I made myself clear. I hope my kids also understood what exactly they need to know before doing or solving this reading comprehension. If you have any doubt, please feel free to give your feedback, and if you have any doubt anytime, you can call me and clarify your doubts. I hope everyone will write down it, and it's my request as well. Please note it down in order to know, in order to understand this reading comprehension. Till then, thank you all.